Hello everyone, this is Dipen Dixit, a principal designer of Design Radius. Today we are going to discuss about our unisex salon project. Site is located on second floor in a commercial complex of well-known area, and from shop one can view outside for a far vision. This salon is a challenge for me, reason being the requirements of the client. They want reception, waiting for 2-3 person, 4 hair cutting chairs, 2 shampoo station, 1 pedicure chair, 1 makeup room, 1 massage room, pantry and toilet. For setup all these things, I have 2 shops having total 382 square feet carpet area with limited budget. There is a beam passing between 2 shops. So I have divided the space into 2, creating the partition from beam bottom and put hair cutting chair in opposite direction. I have to plan the movement flow such a way when all 4 hair cutting chairs are occupied, the worker gets sufficient space for the movement and no one can disturb each other. Except this, remaining clients want to access for shampoo, pedicure or toilet, they can get enough movement space. We have created some open cells near reception area with an aesthetic look for displaying products with great ambience. We have left some empty space between hair cutting mirrors where we hang the lights. Left some space for keep some accessories. If somebody sitting on a waiting chair or on a shampoo station, all this creates an illusion because of mirror placement. Front facade has a glass which gives visibility from shop through the passage. It adds charm to workplace and have an outside vision. Adjoining to the glass facade, we created color bar display which can be viewed from both the sides and give convenience to the worker for easy keeping and taking things. Also having low-high shutter to keep extra stuff. We have provided shelves and storage for towels and shampoo bottle above 6 feet near shampoo station, so no one can have a head-ups. Also provide basin with low height storage, and this storage near pedicure chair have wooden planks partition for view distraction. 2 rooms, pantry and washroom have plant at back side of wall, so all the servicing outlet can be managed and rooms get ventilation. They want 2 separate rooms for wax and massage. I have set 1 foldable couch in makeup room, so makeup room also used as a massage room. Pantry and massage room are divided with partition, which having a storage that operates half from massage room and half from pantry for their extra things. We have given track lights in ceiling, but open wires are not seen anywhere as we have underground in slab plaster. They want grey-black hue scheme for this place, but it gives immense chance to make space look cozy and compact. So we choose natural wood for balance the monochrome monotony and enhance the 2 main elements, reception table and partition near pedicure area. Selection of natural wood buttons, tones of grey, intensity of black, all these 3 elements reflects their presence in flooring and put this space into highly elegant mode.